Quit being slow and load. Talking to my iPad. SVR for Sioux, Iowa. There's 6 out of now.
The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lyon County in northwestern Iowa, northwestern Sioux County in northwestern Iowa until 6:45 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairview, or 11 miles southeast of Canton, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind
Oh,
gusts
boy.
and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rock Valley around 6:05 p.m. And Elvord around 6:10 p.m. Rock Rapids around 6:25 p.m. George around 6:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Lyon, and Sioux.
Forgot WAHC was on.